Today, President Trump's Office of Management and Budget rescinded a memo that would have broadly frozen spending on federal loans and grants. CNN reports the White House press secretary said that despite the memo being canceled, the president's executive orders freezing foreign assistance and ending diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, for example, remain in effect. That's a more specific list of cuts than the widespread trillions of dollars in aid that was originally set to be frozen before a temporary court injunction Tuesday. But there are still a lot of questions as to what groups and programs could be impacted by potential cuts. WRTV's Nadja Woods has spent the past 2 days trying to get some clarity.
It's very clear this is a temporary pause on federal funding to ensure that tax dollars are not funding things that this president has signed out of law.
The move announced by the Trump administration Monday evening left many confused about exactly what the pause covers.
Social Security benefits, Medicare benefits, food stamps, welfare benefits, assistance that is going directly to individuals will not be impacted.
But it would impact schools, organizations, and other initiatives that rely on trillions of federal dollars from Washington.
They're really scrambling right now.
That was the common feeling when we spoke with the United Way Tuesday afternoon. It supports dozens of organizations that receive those dollars.
It's difficult to plan for us as funders as well to make sure that we have the resources to meet those short-term needs and longer-term priorities.
Shortly after that conversation, a federal judge blocked the Trump plan minutes before it was set to go into effect.
They're illegal. They're unconstitutional.
Wednesday morning, Congressman Andre Carson applauded the judge's decision. He also sent a letter to the president, along with more than 150 House Democrats.
We're fighting for this. Our office has received so many calls yesterday and even today.
Some local organizations I talked to say they feel like they've been left in limbo.
But nobody could imagine such a big crisis.
For the Damien Center in Indianapolis, federal funding is essential.
We get over $6 million in funding either directly from the federal government or through subcontracts through the state. And we absolutely need those funds to operate.
Then Wednesday afternoon, the Trump administration appeared to rescind the freezing spend. Yet questions remain about what this means for local organizations.
Think like, hey, this one area of funding might go away, so how do we compensate for that? But to think it's all across so many programs, I don't think we've ever seen anything like that.
Nadja Woods, WRTV.
Several nonprofit organizations and states sued the Trump administration. The administration says the proposed pause was not meant to be permanent and was to give federal agencies time to make sure their grants, loans, and programs comply with Trump's policies and goals.